Luna, oi!
Oi!
What are you doing?
I don't know. Hi everybody! This is our last road trip right before the pandemic happened. We went from Hanoi to Da Nang by our sidecar motorbike Jay. The distance is about 500 miles. Today is our last day in Hanoi. We need to buy snacks and food for our trip, so we decided to check out an American grocery store to see what they have.
Hello, welcome to Gambetta General Store here in Hanoi, Vietnam. If you're from the United States or Europe, you've probably been inside of an Asian grocery store. Well, this is sort of the same thing but in reverse. They have a lot of stuff from the United States and from Europe. Luna knows absolutely nothing about any of this stuff, so we're gonna let her guide the tour and I'll explain what she doesn't understand.
So what is this?
That's a holder. That's a case for your fancy antibacterial gel, see? See, in the United States, this is how United States marketing works. You can't just buy antibacterial gel. You have to also have a little case to put it in, so they can charge you a little extra.
How will you use this?
What do you mean, how do you? Yeah, it's antibacterial gel.
It's hand washing gel?
Yeah, hand sanitizer we call it. I really like these. I endorse this product. This is a good product. Look, this is the Walmart brand. This is what they have in Walmart. It's like the cheapest ones in Walmart.
Really?
Yeah.
So cute! I love this color.
Luna seems to be a big fan of mom wine. This is what we would call mom wine in the USA.
That's so cute. They have a Corona.
They have Corona? Oh, they do have Corona. Yeah, that's real Corona from
America.
Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. $8 for a mega pack. These are awesome. This is the best Halloween candy.
Really?
Whoever gives you this for Halloween, that's your best neighbor.
Aww.
Frosted Lucky Charms, they're magically delicious.
You feel like home now?
I do feel like I'm at home right now. Look at the back of the box. Okay. Let's see if we can solve... There's always a puzzle on the back of the box. Lucky is over the rainbow excited about magically delicious unicorn charms, and he's throwing a big party to celebrate, and you're invited. Before you join the party... Here, if anybody wants to try to solve this, here you go. See if you can find 5 bows and 5 horns hiding in plain sight. Doritos Nacho Cheese. Spicy nacho flavored Doritos. Doritos Spicy Sweet Chili. Cheetos Flamin' Hot. Doritos Cool Ranch. Tostitos. Salted egg fish skin. What are you doing here? Or goldfish. Oh my gosh, this is like the snack that you always brought on a field trip.
Here,
you always
buy this.
When you go
$4.
When you go on a field trip in the United States of America, Luna, you know what a field trip is? It's when your school goes on a trip together. You always bring the goldfish. I don't know what it is about goldfish, but like it's the only snack that would last the entire field trip. If you brought any other kind of snack, you'd run out on the way there. But the goldfish would last on the way there and back. This might actually be good road trip food.
But because like it doesn't taste good or something?
Tastes awesome.
But why don't people...
We're getting these. This is road trip food. Pictured here, nothing but nerds. That's all I can see. Nerds. I love nerds too. Those are dates. You want a date? You want a date, Luna?
Yes.
Every time we go on a date, it's red because we're communists.
This is a red date. No, this is date.
You keep stepping on my jokes.
What is your joke?
I said every time we go on a date, it's red because we're communists.
It's so weird because like it looks nothing like home to me at all.
It looks so much like home to me.
Really?
Yes. Look at this. They even have Kraft macaroni and cheese. Oh my gosh. This was my college staple. This was like every day in college for American Johnson. V8. Yes. Yes. Spicy hot. Oh, that's the best. That's the best. We're getting the V8 spicy hot, folks. You didn't like this, did you?
I did not.
Luna does not like V8. I love it. All right.
It's like having tomato soup in a can.
That's exactly what it is.
And cold.
Yeah, that's the way to do it. I'm gonna crack this puppy open right now.
This is our sweet cashier. She's calculating everything right now. I mean, we don't want to pay for that.
Mom, this is for you. They've got your coffee mate. Oh my gosh, next time you come to Vietnam, this is where you get it.
18 bucks for us. 18
bucks? Well, that's like just like shopping in America. Same experience. You get the whole experience. That's exactly what a road trip bill would be like in the U.S. It's time for get some road trip food here at Gambetta.
And we got this for free. Starburst.
Yeah, free bonus from our comrades.
Today is our last day in Hanoi and we want to do something special. And I never tried ice skating, so we decided to go ice skating.
How do they do it? I don't understand. My brother used to do that stuff.
Really?
Yeah. This is like a marketing thing. She's like really good, and then everybody sees that and they're like, I want to do that. And then they get on there and they realize they will never do that. Wow, this is pretty amazing. Oh my gosh, are you gonna go ice skating? It's Luna's first time ice skating. Can a Vietnamese woman ice skate? Let's find out. In today's episode of Luna Oi. I don't know how to do it either. I'm from South Carolina. Look, I got my shoes on. See, I can walk in my skates. Look. Did you get them? What are you having a hard time with? Do you need help? What's wrong? Mine don't go back. No way. Do they? Oh my god, they do. Ow. It hurts. Ow. Ow, it hurts. Ow. Ow. Are they too tight? They're pretty tight. Should they not be that tight? I think mine are too tight, Luna. Yeah, I'm loosening them up. These are too tight.
Don't forget the cover for them.
I know. How do you do this? Help me, Luna.
Now I have to help you, the girl, the Vietnamese girl.
Yes. Loosen it up. Oh look, she figured it out. You're so smart. That's the one that's way too tight. Can you loosen this one like one click, 2 clicks? Look at this. She's like a pro already. Luna's already a pro. Luna's gonna be doing figure eights immediately. This is the first time she ever done this. Look at her. She knows exactly what she's doing now. Luna, you're a pro. You ready to go out there? I'm following you.
How can I stand up?
Stand up. Just like that. You okay? Look, she's walking. She's walking. That's blue. It's a shade of blue. Luna, what's wrong?
I'm looking for my seal.
Luna bought a seal and they haven't given it to her yet. There's the penguins in penguin prison. But Luna doesn't have her seal. Where's your seal? She has a seal. Why don't you have a seal? We're on the hunt. Luna's going seal hunting. Luna's canceled.
Cảm ơn. Thế thì hãy cầu đi, chị không biết nhân viên nào cả.
Luna, are we waiting?
I want them to clean first. That's what the guy said. Like,
okay.
clean it, and then after, and then they will announce everybody.
Okay. Here it comes. Woo! Come on, Mr. Zamboni. Woohoo! Yeah! When I was a kid, my brother was a figure skater, actually. He was really good at it. And I went to the skating rink sometimes with him when I was like a teenager. And I was always really fascinated with the Zambonis. I always wanted to drive one.
One eternity later.
Finally, I got my seal. Humans are not born to do this.
Humans aren't born to do a lot of things. We make our own destiny, Luna. Off she goes, riding off into the sunset. Dun 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 dun. I think you need to lose the seal, Luna. I think the seal's slowing you down.
No.
I think so, because you're leaning over like that.
From like pulling off.
Here, hold this for 1 second. Can you hold this and stand up? I want to see what it feels like with the seal. Maybe I can give you better advice
What
if
the
I...
fuck? No.
Okay, well then come over to the wall and...
Okay, move it to over there if you want to be too fast.
Go, go, go. This is me pushing Luna. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is like a very delicate operation getting Luna to this wall. You keep moving to the right, Luna. Can you go straight, please? Just put your feet straight. Just put your feet straight. Oh my god, no. Your feet in the you gotta put your feet in the direction of the seal, Luna. Like line your feet up with the... Do you understand that it's gonna slide in the direction that your feet go? Come on. Watch out, don't kill her. I wish I had a longer range camera. Can you reach out to the wall now? Luna can't even stop. You can't even stop. Okay, put your ass against the wall. And then just hold onto the wall.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, if you're gonna use the seal, you need to really lean over the seal.
Yeah.
And then push like this. If you don't lean over the seal, if you lean this way, that's when it falls.
Okay.
You gotta stay over the freaking seal.
Okay.
Okay?
Why did you force me to do this?
It's wonderful. All right, put your weight directly over the center of the seal, and it'll feel solid. If it doesn't, you're doing it wrong. And put the foot in the direction of the seal. Look at that, you're doing great. If you lean your body weight over to one side or the other, you're gonna fall. You're doing good. Keep your body centered, keep your weight centered. You're doing good. Keep practicing. Look at you, Luna, you're doing it. You and your seal are doing it. Now the careful thing is on turning, when you turn. You wanna keep your body weight over the center of that seal, or else it's going sideways. Whee! We're skating! We're ice skating, Luna! South Carolina boy and Vietnam girl are ice skating.
Horribly.
You're doing great. It's the first time ever on the ice. Here, Luna, ice skating selfie. Whee! We're doing it! We're doing it! We're doing it! Luna's seal. Whee! Oh no! Good thing Luna's wearing a motorcycle jacket. Are you okay? What happened? Here's where you have to learn what went wrong. What did you do wrong? Give me your hand. Here. You got it. Look at that. You don't even need my help. You're a pro.
I try to turn.
I told you when you turn, you got to keep your weight over the center of the seal. The seal needs to turn before you do, and your weight goes with it. Well, the motorcycle jacket helped, didn't it?
Yeah, for my butt.
Well, I told you, fall on your ass if you're gonna fall. Luna, you're wearing blue shoes, blue pants, blue jacket, blue helmet, and you have a blue seal.
I'm blue bird.
You're blue, abba dee, abba die. All right, I'm gonna skate a little bit more, get a little more practice.
Okay, don't drop the camera.
Look at this, I'm so proud of you, Luna. She's doing it all by herself. I'm not even helping her at all. Look at that. Like a freaking pro. Like Michelle Kwan over here of Vietnam. Michelle Nguyen. I don't know any other figure skaters' names except for like Nancy Kerrigan and Tanya Harding.
I'm coming.
Yeah?
Luna is coming.
Luna's coming. Here she comes. Here comes. There she goes. There she goes. Luna's gonna try plan B. Do you think you can hold the camera?
Yes, of course.
All right. If you're gonna fall, drop yourself before you drop the camera, okay?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. this all day, huh? Feel okay?
I can sit like this all day. Oh my god, so cool.
This is really fun.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Almost lost it.
Hi there. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope that you enjoy my first experience on ice skating in the tropical country, Hanoi, Vietnam.
See you next Saturday. Be sure to subscribe.
Oh yeah, be sure to subscribe. See you next Saturday. Bye bye.
Bye. No hands. Oh my god. We spent all day yesterday getting Che fixed, and it was fine when we brought it into the hotel last night. And then as soon as we got everything packed up and started the motorbike, it didn't start. So this is 2 mechanics working on Che. 3 mechanics really, if you count the one yesterday.
Yeah.